So now I'll explain the camera path tool. So which is this one, the camera paths. So if you press this, we'll be presented with this panel with the plus icon. So if you press the plus icon, you can see a cube appears on top of our right hand controller. With this we are able to make these lines. You can see I can make this curved line. We can also extend it further if you want. Okay, so after you are done, you can see our panel changes into a different one, which is called the path. So basically the stroke which we just made will have this camera embedded into it. So you can see the camera will only follow this path, or you can say the stroke. Okay, so now if I play this video, so you can see our camera is going to move only in this path. So with this you are able to take recordings of footages with some very dynamic angles, or you can also have a very smooth transition on your video recordings. Okay, so we have some options here. So for example, the select path. So if you press this, we can add some more additional lines, extra lines. Next is your show path. So if you press this, you can basically hide your camera path like this. And lastly you have the delete path. So if you press this, you can delete the stroke. Okay, so we'll go back here, we'll make one more new stroke, and now I'll explain the tools which we have in the bottom section. So first we have the add anchor point. So this is basically the same thing which we just did. So we can make this curved stroke for the camera path. Next we have the delete points, which I'll explain at last. Next we have the add direction point. So if you press this, you can see camera appears in my right hand controller. So with this, just take your controller near to the curve line, and you can see basically my camera is getting snapped to this stroke. After this, just press the index trigger of your right hand, keep holding it, don't release, and you can basically adjust the camera angle like this. So I'll put one angle in this direction, so you can see the camera is facing this direction like this. I'll put one more here, I'll make it face upwards like this. Now if I play the video, so you can see my camera will slowly transition into this angle, and after it passes this angle, you can see it will slowly transition into this camera angle. Okay, so with this you can customize your recording how you want. So yeah, let me just stop this, take it back. Next you have the add speed point. So if you press this, we'll get this icon. So you can just snap it here and put the speed bump here. So now if you play the video, so there is no change, so you can just grab this icon and pull it upwards, and you can see our camera will move much faster along our stroke. So you can make it even faster, you can see. Okay, and lastly we have this add zoom point. So if you press this, we'll get this icon with the zoom. So you can also snap this along the stroke like this, and you can see the changes which is updating in our camera, right? So let me just increase this a bit. So now if my camera reaches this part of the stroke, my footage will basically zoom in, so you can see it here. Okay, yeah, so these are all the functions you will have access to in the camera path. And lastly you have this you also have the delete points. So if you press this, you'll get this circle and a plus icon. So with this you are able to delete all the points like this. Just go and touch the points and you can delete. Okay, and lastly you have this record path. So after you are finally done and satisfied with your camera angles, you can just click this icon and your footage will be recorded. Okay, so this is your camera path